What this particular bot is going to do is going to actually log on to the website, which is the vendor ERP, download a list of active invoices before cleaning them up. On the right hand side, you'll see stuff that we'll get a little bit later too. The purpose of it is to be able to download a list of outstanding invoices and compare it with the existing processed invoices in the client ERP and process only the ones that are required. Login, it's very simple. We're using the open URL element, and then because the browser will actually display a different DOM for if you're logged in or not logged in, we use the wait on element to be able to just bypass the login if the session is still existing. I will demonstrate it in a second. Bottom line is, if you're not logged in, you pass through the login with just simple input to browser, click on element, wait for the menu to open, just hover on the menu element and click on the credit, which is what the vendor ERP system is requiring to do for you to download an invoice. This is basically the vendor ERP system. Bot will actually click on the login element as we've never logged in, as described in the previous incarnation. We're logging in, we're hovering over the account element, and then simply downloading a list of invoices. Because the list of invoices name is specific with a date, the bot will actually get current date and build the actual name of the file dynamically, and will also require to read from the downloads folder of the particular user that's logged in. Once the bot has downloaded the Excel file with the list of invoices, what it will do, it will read it and basically parse it, look for each invoice number and compare it with an existing list of invoice numbers that are processed in the client ERP, which was downloaded from the client ERP with help of another bot. The next steps for the bot would be to actually build an XML string for each of the invoices and then literally process the invoices, in the sense it will create XML files which will be used by another bot to execute electronic invoicing.